Have you ever landed on a website or social media page and instantly thought, this company is serious? And then visited another business and immediately felt something was off, even if you couldn't explain why? That feeling is branding. And in 2025, the difference between a business that attracts premium clients and one that struggles is almost entirely how it looks and feels online. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your small business look like $1 million brand without spending $1 million. It takes only 7 seconds for a potential client to form a first impression of your business online. If your website looks outdated or your social media is inconsistent, that client is gone. The first step is a professional logo and color system. Your logo must be scalable. Choose 2 or 3 brand colors, and use only those colors everywhere for instant recognition. Your website is your most powerful brand asset. It must have a clear headline, social proof, and a clear call to action on every page. It must be fast, mobile-friendly, and secure. Your social media is your brand's daily voice. Post with a consistent visual style, tone, and message. Every post should feel like it came from the same company to build trust. The final piece is professional communication. Use a professional email address, respond quickly, and send professional proposals. These details signal you are serious and worth the investment. $1 million brand is built with daily decisions. To be consistent, professional, and attentive to how your business is perceived. Every touchpoint either builds trust or destroys it. If you need any digital services, you DM us.